Let's talk with Vijay Bhambwani, who's the author and CEO of bsplindia.com, and get his thoughts on what's happening with the markets right now. Vijay, good morning. Let's start off first by getting your views on the Nifty for the day.
Where the market outlook is concerned, there are likely to be twin pressures on the Nifty. First is the concept of overhead supply, because the kind of sharp decline that one saw yesterday will mean that bulls trapped at higher levels will be willing to sell whenever the markets rally higher. And second pressure point will be the weekend factor, which will mean that the bulls will be cautious or hesitant to lend any kind of proactive buying support on dips, especially in the second half of the session, which means the market outlook is probably likely to be even more weaker. And as far as the intraday pivot levels are concerned, the bullish pivot for the day will be at 5,900 on the Nifty spot, which seems a far cry from where it closed at yesterday, and only above this level will the bulls have some kind of a chance of a recovery to 5930 levels, which seems a little difficult. On the flip side, the more likely scenario of a bearish pivot being at 5,870 levels, below which the primary target will be 5,800 and a secondary target of 5,785 levels.
Okay, and what are your thoughts on the realty pack?
In the real estate pack, although the decline was far less pronounced as it was in certain other sectors, but I do feel that this sector is likely to remain underperformer or at best a market performer, which means that either it will fall in tandem with the markets or probably decline more in percentage terms as compared to the headline indices. I think buying or bottom fishing in this sector for delivery-based investment should be deferred for now.
And before we let you go, what's the future strategy for the day?
In the future space, I would want to short Tata Steel February futures at 366.5 levels, which is a marginal rally from where it closed at yesterday. I would hold these short positions with a stop loss at 370 and expect to book profits at 362 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
All right. Thanks very much, Vijay, for taking us through your recommendations.